Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If your PDF does not scroll properly or doesn't fit the screen width, this quick video will fix it in a minute. Open PDF document or Adobe Reader. Click the hamburger menu on the top left and select Preferences. Or simply press Ctrl K to open Adobe Preferences. In the Preferences window, go to Page Display from the left panel. Under the default layout in Zoom, go to Page Layout and select Single Page Continuous. Then go to Zoom and select Fit Width. Then click OK. Close the window and then open your PDF document. That's it. Your PDF will now open with fit to width scrolling by default. If this helped you, give the video a like, subscribe to Positive Energy for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching. Stay positive.